This is a Brandl Anderson dream home. And so is this one. And this one. And this one, too. In fact, you're standing in a Brandl Anderson home right now. And it's filled with all the details and extras that you've been searching for in your dream home. Why? Because at Brandl Anderson Homes, we know that your aspirations are endless when shopping for a new home. But your budget is not. Like any new home buyer, there's only so much you can afford. Yet a finite budget doesn't mean succumbing to a bare-bones home. Not when you build with Brandl Anderson. Brandl Anderson builds dream homes for real budgets. What other builders charge as upgrades, we consider standard. That means you get more of the extras in every square foot. Like spacious kitchens, open floor plans, main level office, and other exceptional finishes, all without the upcharges. As you make your way through this home, make sure to note all of your desired features and amenities, like Kohler plumbing fixtures, stainless steel GE appliances, Silestone countertops, Anderson windows, not to mention a completely finished basement, all of which comes standard with any Brandl Anderson floor plan. See, Brandl Anderson isn't out to build more homes. We're looking to build better homes. We build every one of our homes with superior style, exquisite functionality, and your aspirations in mind. Looking for a different color scheme? Not a problem. Wanting to move a wall or add another room? Absolutely. Let's talk. With Brandl Anderson, you'll get an exceptional home from front door to bedroom door, with every step in between built precisely to the way your family lives. With inviting entries and foyers, spacious living rooms, smartly designed kitchens, beautiful bathrooms, cozy and quiet bedrooms, convenient living level laundry rooms, bonus rooms, finished basements, and other unexpected spaces. Everything else you've always looked for in a dream home. Alas, you found it. Welcome home. Now relish your tour. Soak in the opulence and start plotting your decor. Brandl Anderson. We build dream homes for real budgets.